Hello, I'm Gary Spagnoli, the founder of Analytics Mates and working on the Helm, your AI-powered Google Analytics assistant. I'm recording this for Google verification. We're going to walk through our product, which is actually live now at app.analyticsmates.com. The purpose of this verification video is to walk through what we're requesting from the Google authentication screen or like the Google Analytics API. So first, we're going to select Connect Google Analytics. You can see that I am logged in with Gary at zenanchor.com, or that is the Google account affiliated right now. I am currently signing back into this site. You can see our privacy policy and our terms of service. I updated the privacy policy based off of the verification. I want to be super clear. We do not alter, sell your Google Analytics data, share your Google Analytics data. We don't commingle analytics data. And so that's a critical piece to this whole thing. So I'm going to select continue from here. I am asking to see and download Google Analytics data. That is the only scope. I will show you what this looks like now on the call. So now we're going to select a Google Analytics property. It's searching that Google account for all the properties that are affiliated. Here is an example account that we're going to go through our own website, analyticsmates.com, GA4. We're verifying that connection. There's a small welcome modal to tell you what this is about. Essentially, we have a navigator to ask questions in plain English and get insights from your Google Analytics data, and an inspection, which audits your Google Analytics setup and gives recommended methods to improve the setup based on our experience in working with hundreds of clients. Here you can see we're reading some of the data retention, enhanced measurement, conversion tracking, configurations that are set up within the Google Analytics admin section. We also look at validating whatever key events are coming through. We show what existing key events are showing up. I think over the last 30 days, we can see we have gated content, we have email signups, we have Calendly signups, we have form submissions, we have get started. We also show, though, we're missing certain types of events that we may have expected because we identified that this is a SaaS site. The truth is these key events are not structured on this site, but it's recommending that we set them up. We could compare this to other external tools. For example, if I had 50 leads according to Salesforce, but this tool is saying that you only have XYZ form submissions, you want to compare them to form submissions, you would use this tool to figure it out. I'm going to skip that comparison for now. You could then export this to PDF. But what I want to call out is we are basically just reading, analyzing, and judging your data, giving recommendations on it. For this verification, you guys had asked for the oAuth consent screen. I hope I kind of already went through it literally in the app, but I think I could show you guys. I'm looking at another monitor right now. 1 second. The data access that we are requesting within the application. We have read-only requests. That's for our sensitive scope. We're asking for the email and profile when we create that account. And this is where I'm about to put that demo video. So I think that about covers it. I mean, if you want a full demo of the product, I don't know if that's critical to the verification. I am going to publish this to YouTube. The magic of the application, though, is not just the analysis, but the collaboration. So it's under the navigator, where we can ask questions like, am I getting conversions from AI tools like ChatGPT? This connects with the Google Analytics 4 API, but then the MCP as well, that read only, that we're asking for verification around. And now we are analyzing the data, we're collecting the data, but most importantly, we are comparing it or judging it and giving recommendations based off of our own training model, basically our own model for how we want to present our analysis and give recommendations on action that you can take. So what we're seeing here are the top channels that are driving traffic from AI. You could see that analyticsmates.com is getting quite a bit of sessions from ChatGPT and has 5 conversions that are attributed to ChatGPT. This is over what time period? Over the last 30 days. And then we give recommendations on how to fix some of the issues here. We can't see the prompts entering, so let's look at the landing pages to get a clue as to how they're coming to the site. So here are the top 5 pages for landing pages. Can you show me the top 5 landing pages for AI referral traffic? And it should be able to pull this for me. We're still in beta, still working this out. I'll try to get verification. As this is coming up, I do want to call out that we have access to multiple properties under the settings because, again, it's connected to my Google account. But as we're waiting for this analysis to be done, I think I answered everything you guys had requested in the email. I think that covers it. What else do you guys want to see? Here's our terms of service. You could see on another screen, this is an incognito tab. You could see our privacy policy and the terms of service here. You can see the Connect Google Analytics, what it would look like if I was not signed in. That whole flow in an incognito window might be a little bit funky comparatively, but it's going to ask the same stuff. I'm going to tap yes. Yes, it's me, confirming that on my phone. This is why I need to get verification. I'm going to go to analyticsmates.com. I had previously given access to this, which is why it may show up. I'm showing up as the app developer, but that's what it's requesting, and that kind of covers it. So let's go back to the app. Check it out. You could see here are the primary. This is the primary landing page that's coming from some of the AI search tools. You could see additional pages that are driving some of the traffic, including our free Google Analytics 4 templates. But I hope this is helpful. I hope I get verification as well. Happy Friday. And thank you guys so much. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. Cheers.